Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, FWD, mirror memory, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, rear defrost. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.